My perceptions about iodine teat spray was purely that it was going to dry out the teats. And look, we use a lot of grease, we have in the past, and our teat condition was very good. But to be fair, our udder health probably wasn't the best. We did a trial, and basically the trial was really over about 4 weeks. To be fair, wife and I were pretty sceptical about it all. And after the first week, we actually noticed some difference, some real difference. Udder health was far, far better, and the teats definitely were much softer. By the end of the first week, we started to see results, but certainly by the second week, we really noticed it. And probably there was two fundamental things. One was our somatic cell count had gone down, and it had gone down just about by 50,000. So really a real big tick there, and also the less amount of grease that we're actually using. Probably one of the key learnings is the fact that I thought I knew a little bit about udder health and teat condition. Well, actually, to be fair, I was quite naive. It wasn't until we changed products that we actually saw the real benefits. The udder health of the cows now is, we think, is exceptional.